welcome to my channel Simple Concepts by DJ. Today we are going to look into a numerical problem which is based on voltage divider rule. Okay, so voltage divider rule means you have three different types of resistance. This is a circuit diagram of the problem which we need to consider. Okay, in this circuit you have three resistors. The value you have three resistors here. All the resistors are being connected in series. So the first resistor is value is 2 ohms. Second one is connected, which is connected is 4 ohms, and the third one is 6 ohms. All the three resistors are connected in series fashion and they are connected to the supply voltage. Supply voltage, battery voltage is 24 volts. Okay, so this is the setup. In this question, they are asking us to find. So if you connect a voltmeter over here, if I connect a voltmeter V1, if I connect a voltmeter at this point, that is across this 2 ohm resistor, V1 is the voltage that I will be getting. Similarly, if I connect another voltmeter across this 4 ohm resistor, I will be getting a voltage V2. I will be getting a voltage V2. Similarly, if I connect another voltmeter across 6 ohm resistor, I will be getting a value, a reading from the voltmeter as V3. So our question is, the examiner is asking us to find the voltage, the individual voltages that has been developed across the resistances which are connected in series in this circuit. So what we need to do, we need to find the value of V1, V2 and V3. Okay, so for that, first thing we need to find the total resistance. What is the total resistance? So what is the total resistance? Let us I'm denoting the total resistance as RT. Okay, RT is nothing but R1 plus R2 plus R3. So that is nothing but RT will be 2 plus 4 plus 6. So these are the three values. So when I add all these things, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2 is 12 ohms. So RT, which is considered to be the total resistance of the circuit, of the series circuit, is nothing but 12 ohms. So this RT is 12 ohms, right? So now we need to find the value. This V is nothing but V equal to, V is the battery voltage. The battery voltage is 24 volts. Okay, so you have a current which keeps flowing over here. Here is also another current which goes to the negative terminal. This is the positive terminal of the battery and this is the negative terminal of the battery. Okay, so for time being, forget about the current. So what is V? V is nothing but the supply voltage, or it is called as the battery voltage. Battery voltage is 24 volts. So you have 24 volts in hand. So now how to find the V1? So for the formula to find V1 is, V1 is equal to R1 divided by RT into V. So V1, in order to find the voltage that has been developed across the first resistor, V1 is nothing but R1. R1 is nothing but the value of the first resistor divided by the total resistance RT. The resulting value will be multiplied with the battery voltage 24 volts. So R1 is 2 ohms. 2 divided by the total resistance is 12 into the battery voltage is 24 volts. So it will be 24 volts. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 2 twos are 4. So this is nothing but 4 volts. Therefore V1 equal to 4 volts. So the voltage that has been developed across the resistor V1, which is nothing but 4 volts. Similarly, if you want to find V2, so similarly you want to find V2. V2 is nothing but R2 divided by R total. R total is the total resistance obtained by summing all the resistance values into V. V is the main voltage, that is the supply voltage or battery voltage V. So for that, R2 is 4 ohms. This is 4 divided by the total resistance RT. RT is 12 R2 is 4, RT is 12 into the supply voltage is 24. So 12 twos are 24, 4 twos are 8, 8 volts. Therefore, V2 equal to 8 volts. The value of V2 is nothing but 8 volts. Now, similarly, you need to find the third value that is the for third resistance. The voltage value for the third resistance is nothing but V3. So, how you need to find V3? So, for finding V3, V3 is equal to this R, that is 6 ohms, divided by the total resistance RT is nothing but 12 ohms into the battery voltage. Into battery voltage is 24 volts, that is 24. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 6 twos are 12 volts. So V3 equal to 12 volts. So you have obtained 4 different types of values. So the value of the voltage in a series circuit is different, but in the case of the current will be same, but the voltage will be different. So only you are able to get 3 different types of values. V1 is 4 volts, V1 is 4 volt, V2 is 8 volts, and V3 equal to 12 volts. So you have 3 different set of values, 3 different voltage has been developed across this line. Say for example from A to B. From A to B, if you happen to investigate or if you happen to observe this line from A to B, from A to B, 3 resistors have been connected, and 3 resistors have these resistors have different values, different resistor values, and when they are connected in series, you have 3 different types of voltages that is being developed across these resistors. So the value of first voltage is 4 volts, second one is 8 volts, and third one is 12 volts. Okay, so this is the answer for this problem. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe if you find it very interesting.